In this video, we will see how we can add a sign up button to a sign up view, okay? And if you guys remember, we already have this button, okay? So if we come on this login view, as you guys can see, we have this login button, okay? So what we can do, we can simply come here and copy this button, okay? So we can copy everything with this padding, and here inside the sign up view, what we can do, we can simply paste it, okay? And we want to paste it between this A stack and this one, okay? And normally we are supposed to see a button, okay, as you guys can see. And here, of course, we want to change this to sign up, and everything is working perfectly, okay? So we can even finish this video right now, but we won't do it. We won't do it because here, as you guys notice, we duplicated this code, okay? And as good developers, we don't want to do this, okay? So what we want to do, we want to have this button in a single place into our app, and we simply want to reuse it, okay? Since the only change is simply this text, okay? So what we can do, here we can go inside the views and inside this shared folder, and what we can do, we can create a new view, okay? And for the name, we will call it my primary button, or simply primary button. And inside this primary button, what we want to do, we want to copy this button, okay? So we can copy this, and we want to paste it here inside this body. Okay, perfect. And as you guys can see, we have a button, okay? But yeah, we don't want this text everywhere into our app, okay? So we want to be able to customize this text. So what we can do, yeah, every time we create this primary button, we want to provide a title, and it's gonna to be of type string. And now that we have this title, what we can do, we can simply copy this, and here for this text, instead of this login, we want this title, okay? And normally our preview is supposed to crash, okay? So here, let's fix this guy, and here for the title, we can say login, and normally everything is still supposed to work. And as you can see, everything is working. So now that we have this, what we can do, we can simply copy this on my primary button, and here, instead of this button, we want to provide this primary button, okay? And for the title, we want to provide this login. And normally, if for now we simply comment out this guy, everything is still supposed to look the same, okay? So now that we know that this is working, we can remove this, and we can copy this guy and go to our sign up view. And here, instead of this button, what we want to do, we want to paste what we have, and here for the title, we want it to be sign up. And now we can remove this button, and by doing so, we can see that we still have the same result, okay? And the last thing we want to do, we simply want to style our sign up view, okay? Because as you guys notice, here we have enough space, but yeah, we don't have enough space at the bottom, okay? So what we can do, here on this vista, the first thing we can do, we can add this spacing, and we want a spacing of 10, okay? And here, instead of dividing this by 1.5, you can divide this by 1.4, okay? And just by doing so, as you guys can see, this sign up view is getting cleaner, and I think it looks better, okay? It looks like a finished app, okay? So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll see how we can build a welcome screen, okay? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If that's the case, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.